Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Today, guys, we'll be looking at the powers of chicken, the colors of chicken, what they represent spiritually. Yes, the powers of chicken, that's what we'll be looking at today. And each and every color has what it represents in the spiritual realm. And this is your first time of visit my channel. This is Sia, a friend, a mentor, a guardian, and do well to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell because I would do love you to miss any of my important video. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, do well to give a like. And now sit down, relax, and let me unveil some important things to you this morning. Although according to the time you are saying this. Okay, guys, we're going to be looking at the powers of chicken. I'm going to talk about black chicken. I'm also going to talk about white chicken. Okay, that is either a hen or a rooster. Okay, a hen has what it represents. Also, a rooster has what it represents. Remember, a rooster is the male, while a hen is the female. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. Let me start from the beginning. You have to know that the power now, like let me start from the black chicken, for example. The power of black chicken is a symbol of protection, and it lies in the ability to absorb negative energy. That's why sometimes if you want to do anything spiritual, they will tell you use white cock, use black cock, use hen, use chicken, use hen or use a roaster. Depending on the problem the person, the seer sees or whoever sees it, would determine the kind of chicken, a type of chicken you are going to be, being it a hen or a, a roaster, being it white or black. Okay, so what you have to know is that black chicken has the ability to has this protection, as in has protection, like it has protection ability. Yes, black chicken has protection ability to absorb negative energy. Black chicken can absorb negative energy when placed an entrance way to a home or a business place. For example, maybe your business place is, you believe that people are attacking you and your business is not moving forward, or anybody have done any evil charm against you and you want to post or you want to break that thing. Okay, or you want to destroy that. This all you have to do is to just get a black cock. Yes, a black cock. Okay, get a black cock and slaughter it that's if it is your business place, you do it in your business place. If it is your home, you do it in your home. Even if in your home, you can do it in your home and make prayers of your business place there. Okay, you can do it in your home and make prayers of your business place there. Believe me, whatever it is that anybody have done, that will absorb it and destroy it. That's what's in power of a black chicken. So it helps to absorb negative energy, all the arrows people have done. Another thing about black chicken is, maybe for example, witches have done anything against you or they are monitoring you. So you can use the blood of a black chicken. Yes, you can use the blood of a black chicken to destroy that. What you have to do to just sacrifice a black chicken, make all your prayers on it while killing it. But definitely you must use native chalk. That is Uzu in Igbo. You must draw a native chalk on the ground in a cycle. Then slaughter, you make all your prayers and slaughter the blood inside that cycle. Okay, if you like, you can just take a feather of that chicken, go and place it in your that black chicken, go and place it in your business place, or go and place it in your business place, or just go and place it in your house, the entrance to your house. Now, another what you have to know about black chicken. Black chicken are often considered to have ome or bad luck. According to people, people believe that anything black is always bad or whatever, whatever. But if you notice, most time people that perform magic make use of black hen or black chicken. So there's a reason why for it. Excuse me. Now, in many cultures, as you said, I think we believe that black chicken is there for their what ability to ward off evil. As I've said earlier, we can use black chicken to like stop all kind of evil. So that means black chicken can help to destroy anything evil. Okay, if even people are monitoring you like witches, black chicken can help to solve this. In general, let me say, even in a dream, for example, in a general, when you dream of black chicken, this means that you may be responding to situation out of fear. Maybe in your dream, you dream or you saw chickens in your dream. Although depending on the reactions of the chicken in the dream, are they silent? Were they walking? Were they eating? Were they just were they just gathered in one place? So in general, when you see chickens in your dream, it means that you are responding to a situation out of fear instead of you to use your head. When you see maybe a noisy chicken in your dream, it may represent a gossip in your life. Yes, it may represent what a gossip in your life. So take care of what you accept on your what. Take care of what you accept, and you should be careful if you yourself you are gossiping. So chicken, if you see chickens in your dream and they are sitting peacefully in a nest or anywhere, it means a possibility and protection. So chicken also in a dream have similar meaning. Even if you see black chicken in your dream, it means protection as well. Okay. So to make the long story short, if you are planning to do something, you want to start something, something new, you use a sacrifice a hen, that is a female chicken. If you want to start something new for you to get possible, sacrifice a hen, a female chicken. If someone told you that the person that is after your life is a woman, a witch woman, sacrifice a female chicken, any color at all. Okay. But if someone told you that your problem is coming from the family, it's likely to be a man from your father's side, sacrifice a male chicken. This will help to ward up whatever plan they have done. So black will stop them from monitoring you, okay? And if you are praying for success, something good, you want to do something, applying on something, you want that thing to get here, something that thing to work out fine. Okay, let that thing work on your favor. Sacrifice white chicken. A white chicken in the spiritual realm represents success, represent possibilities, represent wealth, as in represent wealth, represent cleanliness, represent as in open way, open doors. That is no obstacles. So you know what those colors means now. If you know understand, you can go back and listen over again. So know what all those colors is now. Sometimes you don't even need a spiritualist to help you again. All you just have to do is to sacrifice. Remember, before you make the sacrifice, you must drop a white chalk on the ground in a cycle. Okay. If you like this video, do well so far. Do well to like this video and comment anything you don't understand. I will get back to you within 5 hours. Okay. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, just comment I want to join your WhatsApp group. I will add you to my WhatsApp group for free. See you guys in the next video. Love you guys.